Thank you for tuning in, and today we're going to be showing you how to remove your window visors on your Camry. Hello. Anyway, what you want to do is come up here to the corner of your visor, and this is a cover actually. You can just pop it, get underneath of it, and go around it. Be careful if you use something to actually plow on this, to not tear your head on them, because it's easy done. I'm using this because this is just an old parts car. I'm using it to demonstrate pretty well, you know, how you can remove stuff. Giving you some helpful how-to videos. Yeah. So, as you can see, you got, actually, should have 3 bolts, but I think it's just 2 on this. Usually these style visors have 3. Can I use this foot? Yes, I can. So let me go ahead and remove these 2 bolts. So once you get them 2 bolts removed, they just actually are 2. Usually most setups have 3, but this one has 2. You want to come over here and pop it loose, and there's your window visor. Yeah, now you can change it or use it in another vehicle, whatever you want to do with it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Be sure to check my channel out for more content, and I'll see you on the next video. Oh, by the way, this one comes off the same way.